Y'all, let's get into this super cute hairstyle. Today I will be using products from Aunt Jackie's. I don't know about you, but using a bunch of different products at once is just not my vibe. This line has all of the things. I started with Not On My Watch Instant Detangling Therapy. My hair loved this stuff. Detangling is my least favorite step, but this product saved the day. I love when I find products that really hold my styles together all day, and this Frizz Patrol did just that. As you can see, my hair is super sleek to the god. To finish this style, I grabbed the Curl La La and mixed it with the setting mousse that left my hair super soft and shiny. So here's the final outcome, and you guys, I'm in love. Seeing my vision come to life is literally my favorite step. Finding good products can be challenging. If you know, you know. Aunt Jackie's hair care line did not disappoint. I hope you guys enjoyed. Now go get yours.